Thaumatrope is an optical toy that was popular in the 19th century. It consists of a disc with two images on either side. If you spin the disc, your eye will blend the two pictures together because of an optical illusion called persistence of vision. To make one, you'll need card, a scissors, a paper puncher, string, something to help you draw a circle, drawing materials. If you don't have a paper puncher, don't panic, you can use a pin instead. For the thaumatropes I've made, I've taken inspiration from the Fonthill vase and this coin from the collection of the Decorative Arts and History Museum. If you need some inspiration, take a look at their website to check out some of the cool artifacts they have on display. It's a good idea to use colours and add a dark outline to your drawing. This will make the optical illusion more effective. It's important to remember that if you flip it over like this, one side should be upside down.